How to add your email on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your email on your TikTok. So it's so easy, all you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. The first thing, go to your TikTok. Now go to your profile and click on edit profile. Now click on email, and now you can add your email and click on save. If you already have an email on your TikTok, all you need to do, if you want to change that email, click on those three buttons up there, click on setting and privacy, and click on manage account. Click on email. Now tap your new email and you can wait a second to send you a code, and tap the code and they're gonna change your email. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.